So long, guys. Welcome to Coding Beetle, and I'm here with the next problem from codingbat website. So the next problem is Parrot trouble. In Parrot trouble, it is said we have a loud talking parrot. Okay, the hour parameter is the current hour time in the range 0 to 23. That is, they are saying maybe after at night 12 o'clock to the next day before 12 o'clock. Then we are in trouble if the parrot is talking and the hour is before 7 and after 20. That is morning 7 am and after at night 8 o'clock, 8 pm. So if they are talking before 7 and after 10, after 8, then means 20. And then we are in trouble because if maybe we will be sleeping that time, and if the parrot will talk, we cannot sleep. So that is a trouble. Return true if we are in trouble. So if the parrot is talking and the time is before 7 and after 8, then we are in trouble. And if not, then we are not in trouble. Then the solution: return talking, that is a boolean value. Talking, there is a boolean value, and it will return if the parrot is talking or not. It may be true or false. And the hour would be 7 less than 7, or hour would be more than 20. If it is so, then we are in trouble. Let's check our solution. See, this is a correct solution. So that's it for today, guys, and I'll come with the next solution in the next video. And you guys can also leave your problems, or if any where you are stuck in your problem, then you can comment me. You are free to comment, and please like and share this video with everyone, with your friends, those who are interested in programming. You can also tell me if you want a series in Java, then I will make a tutorial on Java where I will teach you these basic things, where it is said why it is boolean, how it works, this is the function, what is the function, and everything from basic to advanced level. So see you guys, stay safe.